Namaskar. What is God's working style? Other religions say that God participates in the daily affairs of the universe, but then they are not able to provide credible and ample evidence of Him. In this regard, what does Hinduism say? At the time of creation, the Hindu God sets out only the basic principles on which the universe would function. He does not go into the details. So we can say that the Hindu God is not a God of the details. He lets Mother Nature takes care of the details and gives due credit to her. Lord Krishna says in the Gita, chapter 14, verse 4, I am the Father, and nature is the mother of all species. Acknowledging nature's role in fashioning the universe is in accordance with Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. When the universe is up and running, the Hindu God acts only in emergencies, and that too when he is left alone to do so. I have already talked about this in my previous video titled Is God Good? With two examples, one of Gajendra and the other of Draupadi's disrobing. The link is given here as well as in the description. Even when God decides to act in this universe, He may want lesser beings to be His means. In the Kurma avatar, Lord Vishnu not only told the Devatas the recipe to get back their affluence by churning the ocean of milk, but He also told the Devatas not to covet anything that comes out of the process. I will get you the nectar, Lord Vishnu promised the Devatas. The Devatas churned the ocean obediently, and Vishnu, taking three avatars, Kurma, Dhanvantari and Mohini, made sure the Devatas got the nectar. In the Krishna avatar, Lord Krishna, while showing his Vishwaroop to Arjun, declared in chapter 11, verses 33 and 34, all the Kaurava warriors have already been killed by me, but you still have to kill them with your arrows. But if the Hindu God pitches in only in emergencies, should devotees worship him? Yes, they should. The Hindu Supreme Being has given Devatas and humans a free hand to develop their management potential and run the universe. Secondly, the Hindu Almighty is not indifferent or aloof. He constantly watches over us. Here are four instances. 1. The Almighty's two eyes are the sun and the moon. One looks over us during the day and the other at night. 2. To keep constant watch on all directions, Creator Brahma grew 4 heads. 3. To set things right in this world, Lord Vishnu has incarnated as many as 23 times. 4. To usher in every Manvantara, Lord Vishnu comes with his team of Indra and Devatas, Saptarishis, Manu and his sons. So we can conclude that the Hindu concept of God is both scientific and logical. What is your opinion? Please tell me in the comments below. For more videos on Hinduism and Indian history, subscribe to this channel. Namaskar.